Alright guys, today you're going to learn how to make pumpkin punch. So what I have here is the boiled pumpkin along with some cinnamon leaf in there. So I've done this from overnight. So if you are going to make the pumpkin punch, it's best that you boil the pumpkin from overnight so it's soft, so when you're blending it, it will be smooth. All right, so I'm going to start and blend it. Right, you're not going to blend the cinnamon leaf if it's just for flavor. Put some water in there, and you can use the same water that you use and boil it to blend it also. Alright, you can use any blender, you don't have to be specific blender, you can use any one. So that looks smooth. Alright. So we're just going to transfer this now into another pot. Okay, thick and rich. Alright, so we're just gonna blend the rest of it and come back. Okay guys, so I have done blended all the pumpkin that I had boiled. So if you're wondering why it has this color, it's because I didn't peel the skin, I blend everything. Okay, so I'm just going to strain this now and add my other ingredients. Okay guys, so I'm continuing. So I use a strainer like this, any simple strainer like this, and it does extract the waste from it and thin. Okay guys, so we're gonna add Betty sweetened tin milk, and we're gonna add supplement. Alright. To pour this milk. Okay, so we're gonna add the tin milk. Yummy. And then we're gonna add some sugar. You can add the sugar to your specifics sweetening, so you will know how much sugar you want. Guys, you can add some vanilla. I always use this one for a little more flavor, and you just add a little amount, then you taste it, and then you add a little more if you want a stronger taste. Yeah. Okay guys, so we have add all of our ingredients: milk, supplement, vanilla, sugar, and that's basically it guys. And this is the extracted parts that I've gotten out of it. If you haven't seen it, so this is basically what it looks like now. So we're just going to strain it one more time, so that any drugs or so or residue from the sugar, you can get it out so you can have a nice and smooth drink. You see, you have the sugar on it, so we need to get that out. And guys, if you want to add anything like wine, you can add it, like fruit wine, you can add it to it also, but I won't be using any today. So you can use wine, you can add wine or rum to it, to the mix, to the sponge, if you want a little jazz in it. But today I won't be using anything like that. It's just a basic fruit punch for today. Okay guys, so we're gonna strain it one more time. Okay, so we're just gonna do it like that. So we're just gonna do it like that and come back. So look guys, so see, you will still have a little residue, so it's good to strain it more than one time. And guys, you can just add a pinch of salt to the mixture to prevent diarrhea and stuff like that. You know that some persons stomach cannot tolerate certain things. You can just add a pinch of salt to the mixture. Alright, so that's it for today. Stay tuned for other videos about fruit punch and juices and other punches and how to cook other stuff and stuff like that. Bye.